guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be having a quick Vinyasa gentle yoga that is going to help you just stretch out your body and help you feel nice. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get on the mat. First, we're starting off with the cat-cow position. Inhale, head up. Exhale, down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, down. One more inhale and exhale. Second, we're going to go down to child's pose and just lengthen out of child's pose. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. 4, 3, 2, and downward facing dog. Push your shoulders away from your wrists and tuck your belly button in. Walk your arms forward and lengthen, stretch. From downward dog, we're going to walk our feet to our arms and take rag dog. Moving side to side. And then go to fold forward. Halfway lift. High plank. Slowly drop into low plank. Upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Walk our feet to our arms. Halfway lift, inhale. Fold forward. All the way back up. And mountain pose. Fold forward again. Halfway lift, inhale. High plank. Pressing down to low plank. Up dog, inhale. And downward dog, exhale. We're going to take one more, okay? Walk your feet to your arms, inhale. Foot forward, exhale. Sweep all the way back to mountain pose, inhale. And foot forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. And high all the way back to high plank. Press down to low plank. Upward dog. And downward facing dog. Good job. Now we're going to walk our hands to our feet. Walk your hands to your feet. Thighs together. Soles together. Chair pose. Sitting chair pose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank. Press down low. Up. Down dog. Right foot forward. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, extended warrior. Back to warrior 1, inhale. And high plank, exhale. Press down low. Up dog, inhale. And down dog, exhale. Take your left foot forward, inhale, warrior 1. Lift up. Exhale, extend. Inhale, back to warrior 1. Exhale, high plank. Good job. We've completed our first float. Press down, up dog, and downward facing dog. Good job, guys. Now we're going to walk our hands back to our feet for our second and last chair pose for today. Thighs together, soles together. Chair for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank. Press down low. Up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Right foot forward, inhale. Warrior 2, exhale. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Exhale, warrior 2. Back to high plank. Press down to low plank. Up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Left foot forward, inhale. Lift up in warrior 2, exhale. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Back to warrior 2, exhale. Whew. Now we're going to go back to the mat. Inhale. Pull all the way down. Up dog. And downward facing dog. Good job. If you're tired, beginners, you can take this dolphin pose and just lengthen out. Inhale, catch your breath. One more. And the last one. To slow down our practice, we're going to be taking puppy pose. Close your legs together and come to a puppy pose position. Lengthen out, inhale and exhale. Good job. Stretch out your back, inhale and exhale. Keep taking 3 breaths more. And now we're going to come lying down on the ground. Take a deep breath, inhale, lift up in locust pose. Exhale, slowly drop. Inhale, lift up again in locust. And exhale down. The last one, inhale. And exhale down. Good job, guys. Lengthen out, and lengthen out. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed this short Vinyasa flow. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you know when I post new videos. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.